tribute to Florida. Her name was Irma, a big old storm. Came from Africa where most are born. She smashed the islands in her pathway, from Little Sabre all the way to Cat Cave. She tore the roofs, she flooded streets, she leveled buildings, nowhere to retreat. Then took her aim on the Sunshine State. Go right or left, it was in God's fate. The weatherman said, no need to fret. She's so damn big, she'll hit them both yet. Smashed Big Pine and tore up the bay. Then trashed Vera on her way up the state. Irma left us a big old mess. Her memory lingers to our distress. In the end, history will tell. 55 died in September hell. 2017, a bad year for Canes. Harvey and Irma left the whole nation straight.